Hello, 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 hello kids, and good morning. Good morning, boys. Good morning, parents. How are you doing today? Today's Monday. Monday, Monday, March 23rd, as you can see behind me. Now, I want to wish that you guys are having a great week. We're at it again with our video from YouTube and our learning, and we need to keep going, you guys, because, well, we need to stay safe. And we want you guys to be great. We can't wait for you to be back at Chartwell, everything back to normal. But in the meantime, we need to keep learning, okay? So if we look at our timetable, what do we have on Mondays at first class? Yes, English. English class is all set for today in this video. And the first thing that we are going to do is some vocabulary. Right. So I want to review with you guys a little bit about what we did while we were in class with homophones. Now, homophones are words that sound the same, but they have different meanings. We have the word ate and the word ate. One of them is a number, and the other one is the past of a verb eat. Now, this boy clearly ate 8 pieces of cake. That's why he looks there like, oh, yummy, I'm so full. Right. We did this activity in your notebooks, and I know that you don't have your notebooks. This is why I'm sending you this, so that you don't forget everything that we've learned. If you don't want to print this, you don't have to. You can grab a piece of paper and a pencil and just do it on your own, watching it from the screen. It's fine. We don't want you to go through any trouble. Everything is fine the way it is. Just do your best, okay? Now, we have these 6 images, okay? And you have a pair. Remember that homophones come in pairs, 2 words that sound the same. Doe or doe, fur or fur, right or right. I'm going to make myself be down here a little bit. Yep. Moving myself down to the bottom of your screen so you can see everything very clearly. Rough or rough, stare or stare, sun or sun. Remember, they sound the same. No matter how spelled they are or how they are spelled, you can see how they sound the same. Now, a dough is a mixture that we make flours and eggs and milk and sugar and some chocolate chips. What do we make when we bake those? Cookies. So cookie dough would be D-O-U-G-H. And then D-O-E is a 4-legged animal, a herbivore, and it lives in a forest, and it looks like this. Yes, this would be a doe, D-O-E. And number 2, we have fur or fur. One of them is the skin. Very hairy skin that covers some animals, such as a doe, would be F-U-R. While F-I-R, fir, is a tree, family in the pine tree. Very bushy, found in cold weather. Like we have here in Chile, we have a lot of furs, actually. Then in number 3, we have right or right. Now this boy is doing an action. He's putting words and sentences on a piece of paper with a pen or a pencil. He is writing, W-R-I-T-E. When you have write, R-I-G-H-T, you have a couple of meanings. Everybody raise your right hand. Yes, very good job. Or you're right, that it means that you're correct. Then you have rough or rough. You see this little sailboat? It's in the middle of the ocean and the waves are really high. It is having a difficult journey or a rough journey, R-O-U-G-H. Then you have this image, some steps that lead to the top level or that take us down to the bottom level. That would be stairs, okay, S-T-A-I-R. Well, if I start looking at you fixedly like I am through this camera, here we go. I'm staring at you. Stare, S-T-A-R-E. Now, over here we have another image of something really shiny in our galaxy. It gives us warmth and light and energy. That would be the sun. While all of you are boys, and you are all the sons, S-O-N, of your mother and father. Okay. Now moving on to more to think about. Now we have some practice exercises. I know we did them already in class, but we're going to review so you can do them again and see if you can remember what we studied. Now they give you 6 sentences and each of them has a pair of homophones and they're going to make sense to you or not. depending on what they're saying in the sentence. So Rakesh wasn't sure whether to have another sweet. Now whether, W-E-A-T-H-E-R, means hot or cold or rainy or sunny or cloudy, would be related to the climate. And weather, W-H-E-T-H-E-R, means if, when I have two choices. Oh my. Okay, which option are you going to choose there, boys? Then in letter B, I can't hear you, the man, shouted the man. Now here, H-E-A-R is when you use your ears. And H-E-R-E here is in this location. Okay, which one are you going to choose? In letter C, Emma and Lee couldn't wait until Christmas. Wait, W-E-I-G-H, is how heavy something is. And W-A-I-T is an amount of time that you're patiently expecting something to happen. All right. Then letter D, Stuart threw the ball so hard it went over the school fence. Now through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, is when, for example, let's take my handy eraser. Let's pretend it's a train. And there's a tunnel over here. So the train has to go through the tunnel to get to the other side. While through, T-H-R-E-W. If I take my handy eraser again, when you time you see this video, this is going to be in the past. Miss Maria Clara takes the eraser and throws it out the window. But by the time you see it, she's like, Mom, Mom, she threw the eraser out the window. No, I didn't. Here it is. So through is the past of the verb throw. Which one are you going to choose in that one? Then the bus fare was £2.50. Fare, F-A-R-E, is an amount of money that you paid for a service, while fair, F-A-I-R, is how just is something. It's not fair that you're doing class. Yes, it is. You have to learn. All right. Finally, letter F. Which picture is mine? Asked Kathy. Here we go. This is Kathy. Which, W-I-T-C-H, takes us back to Halloween. It's a woman, has a big nose, crooked green teeth, and a big black hat. Usually she has like an evil laugh, like, she's a witch. And W-H-I-C-H refers to what one? Which one? All right. Then exercise 2, copy the homophones that you haven't used in question 1 and write a sentence using each one. For example, in the first one, if you chose this word, then you're going to have to write another sentence with this word. It can't be the same sentence. It has to make sense. Okay. Now the answers to all your questions are going to come in the next week. We'll now give you all the answers and give you time to do all the activities and we can check them together. All right. Now try these. This is the activity that I have planned for you today. You're going to do activity 1, 2, 3, and 4. It says, write your own definition for each of the words in the boxes. Use your dictionary to help you if you need to. I'm going to give you a link to a kid-friendly dictionary that you can use so that you can find the words that you don't know and write the definitions for them. Try to do it in your own words or at least understand what they are trying to explain to you. Then exercise 2, write a sentence that has 2, 2, and 2 in it. I'll give you some handy worksheets so that you can understand which is which. Write a sentence that has there, and there in it. Oh, we've been practicing on this last week. And then you have write 2 sentences for each pair of homophones below to show that you know the difference between each word. So you have one sentence for bow, 1 sentence for bow, 1 sentence for stereo, 1 sentence for stereo, and there you go. You have here 8 pairs. That means 16 sentences that you have to write. Okay, kids, I will see you in the next video.